Hello students, so you should have already watched the Math Antics video. I'm going to quickly go over a few things. The beautiful thing about videos is that you can actually go back and play them over and over and over again if there's a concept that you don't understand. So, triangles and also angles are closely related. Also, taking a step back, a ray has an endpoint and it goes off in this direction forever, hence it has the arrow. Looking at this one, when you have two line segments or two rays, they meet at a common point and they go out from that particular direction, it forms an angle. So you'll notice here we have the angle, 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 angle. Now, these angles are called, they have specific names. A right angle, forms, it's at 90 degrees. So any type of right angle will form and it will have 90 degrees that you will see. If it is smaller than 90 degrees, it's going to be called an acute angle. And if it's larger, it's going to be known as an obtuse angle. Now, acute, one way that I remember it is typically if things are smaller, so acute, you spell it A-C-U-T-E. Notice we have the word cute in there. Typically, when you have a dog or a cat that is small, they're a puppy and a kitten, and they're much cuter, as opposed to the parents. When they grow up, they're not as cute. All babies are cute, All smaller things are cute. So if you remember, acute means something that's smaller than 90 degrees. Also, you realize if it's larger, it's known as an obtuse. So an obtuse angle, So an obtuse angle. So we have 90-degree, obtuse, and we have acute. So those are the only three types of angles that you're going to be taking a look at. Now, also along with this, we have the angles, and we also have triangles. Now with the triangles, it's kind of the same thing. Triangles can be described, as you saw in the Math Antics video, they can be described by the angles that they have or the sides that they have. Angles that they have here, we see all of these are 90 degrees, and I know this because right here there is a box here in the corner. That means if I take a piece of paper and place it here, it would form, this would be my piece of paper that I'd have here. Here's my piece of paper. It has a 90-degree angle, so these two sides would be exactly on there, therefore it would be a right angle. These right here, if I put a piece of paper here, notice it would not, It would not come and be on that same side. They would not have two sides. Now, one side it could have, but the second side it would not fit directly on there. So these are all smaller than right angles. So these are acute triangles. And then these are obtuse triangles because this angle is obtuse, this angle is obtuse, this is obtuse, and also this one is obtuse as well. These right here, they're smaller than, so all of these are going to be an acute. If you have an acute triangle, every single one of them is going to be less than 90 degrees. So we have a right triangle, we have an acute triangle, and we have an obtuse triangle as well. So those are the three different types of triangles. You can also take a look at the different sides that they have. If they're all equal in length, they're called an equilateral. Notice the name equal, equilateral. So you can hear the word equal in equilateral. So if you hear the equilateral, you think, they're all exactly the same length. Now, if you have two sides are the same, they're known as isosceles triangles. So notice these two are the same. When you're looking, these two are the same. You have these two are the same. You have these two are the same. And these two are the same. So two of them that are the same, they're known as isosceles. And scaling, that means that every single one of these, and typically with the sides, you can go like this. This means that all three of them are different. All three of these are different. So we have these little marks that you place over to the side. So notice these are the same, that's different. These two are the same, this one is different. These two are the same, this one is different. These two are the same, this one is different. Notice if they're the same, they have the same marking. I can also do that with my equilateral triangles as well. Notice with my equilateral triangles, if they're all the same, then they have the same marking. So then you can quickly look at it and say, wait, they're all exactly the same length. Instead of getting out your ruler and measuring it, you can quickly see that, So today other than this, there's also the greedy triangle that I want you to go ahead and watch. If it's in your AR level, please take an AR quiz on it. So do not forget, some of you, the Lexia and AR level have been, I know you've been busy. You had 8 different assignments yesterday, so please just try to make sure that you continue to read, practice math facts, and work on Lexia above and beyond the other things we have as well. So Awesome job. Continue to work hard. You guys got this. Take care. Bye.